Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Hobby Lobby clearance haul to share with you, and let me show you all the clearance items I picked up this week. This past week I was able to visit my second Hobby Lobby store and I found some more clearance goodies. So I found these table runners. Aren't they cute? I have the beige, the blue, and the brown. And these were regular price $19.99 and I paid $4.99. And the size on the runners are 72.5 inch by 13.97 inch. And then these are the velvets. Look at that. How cute. I love them. I bought 3 of the beige ones. I wanted one for my dining table, one for my breakfast table, one for my living room table. And then I got this blue one too. So pretty. I bought 3 of those. And then I only found one in brown. So this came home with me too. I couldn't leave it behind. So I'm quite happy with those. I picked up some buttons. Look at these. How cute. They are like a gray button and then it has like the marble effect on top. It makes it look like it's like a seashell. You get 12 buttons per package and I paid 37 cents each. Regular price was $2.49. I also found this premium thread. It is size 3 Egyptian cotton, 100% Egyptian cotton, and it's in the color Victorian red. And the regular price was $5.99 and I paid $1.49. I also went down the paper section aisles. I found the Disney Aladdin stickers, so I picked up 2. Regular price was $3.99 and I paid 99 cents each. And then I picked up 3 of this Hooray Baby Pack. Regular price was $6.99 on 2, and then this one was $5.99, but they were all reduced to $1.74. Let's see. And then these are all stickers. Look at that. How cute, right? This will encourage me to work on my scrapbooking. Look at that. How cute. And then alphabets. Nice. And then I also picked up some more cardstock. So this store had this one in stock, so I picked up a couple of these. And then this is the boho collection. Again, you get 5 colors in each color. Regular price was $5.99 and I paid $1.49. I also picked up some of this. This is the clear vellum pack and it is inkjet and laser printer. $4.99 and I paid $1.24 each. I believe I picked up 4 of these packages. They will go to use. And then I picked up 2 more of these Dymo stickers. They have different color on the package, but I was reading it and then it seems to have all the same information. Nothing that varies. I don't know. I really don't know what the difference is, but this package is labeled at $7.99. I paid $1.74. And it is in the white paper. And you get 2 cartridge in the package. And then the same thing with this one. It is labeled white paper and 2 cartridge. And then this one was regular price at $6.99, and I still paid $1.74. The last clearance items I picked up are these. And then this is from the home decor section. They're really cute candle holders. Look at that. And they're metal too. So these were $10.99, and I paid $2.74 each. Really cute. I did pick up several items that were on sale. I picked up this Tim Holtz Ideology packet. It's the ephemera pack, and it's engraving, it says. It was regular $6.99, and they were 40% off, so I paid, well, let's see, $4.19 for this. It's the black and white collection. I like this one because then you can color it yourself if you want to. I like that one. And then I picked up some stamps. I don't understand how Hobby Lobby percentage sale works, because the stamps were 40% off this week, or this past week, and I know the signage said clear stamps, so they gave me 40% off this one. And then this is the honeycomb one. It was $7.99, and I paid $4.79. Anyways, it's a clear stamp. I like it. And then I bought these Disney stamps, and they charged me regular price for these. And I don't know, they look like clear stamps to me, so I'm not sure how all this works. But yeah, I picked up this one and that one, and that's for my scrapbooking project. I picked up this yarn. Look at all the tone of colors in there. I needed this for a future project, so I picked it up. It is $2.29, and they were 30% off. I also picked up this floral ribbon. It is 2.5 inch wide with 30 feet per roll. And it's $4.99, but they were 50% off this past week, so I paid $2.49. So this second store that I went to, they like to show their products in a craft project. So in one of the displays, I saw this. This ribbon looks so cute in that project, I had to have it. So look at that. It was part of a bow, you know, like a background, a bow, and then they had an embellishment right on top. But it is really cute. Look at that. And it is a mesh ribbon. Look at that. And it has twine going through. This is the first time I've seen this ribbon. It is really cute. I fell in love, so I brought it home with me. And I'm quite happy with this one. So let me put that aside. And I picked up some items from the fabrics section also. I picked up some fabrics. So I have, all this was cut at a half a yard for me, and they were all $6.99, and I paid $3.49 for half a yard. So I got the gold one. Look at this. It's almost like a amber color. And then I got this yellow one, and it has a floral print on there. cute. And look at this. It has bees on there. I had to make sure. I told the girl, I was like, are those flies or bees? She was like, they're bees. So I picked that up. And then there's this one too. How cute is this, right? Adorable. And then I got this one too. Let me open this up just a little bit, a little larger so you can see better. Look at that. How cute. And then it's also bees. Look at that. Right there. How adorable. I really like that one. So I picked these up for a future project. I don't know if I will get to it this year, but we'll see. And then this one, I got 1 yard of it. And this was $6.99. Look at that. Multiple use in the fabric. A sheer iridescent, what do you call it? Organza fabric. Really cute. I got that one. And then I also found this. This one I picked up last week, and I guess it fell out in my car. So, but I wanted to show you that Hobby Lobby also carries ribbon in the value pack. I had found some at Michael's. Hopefully you saw my Michael's haul that I had picked up some red, white, and blue ribbons. So, and then yeah, I had found these at Hobby Lobby. They're $4.99, but they were 50% off the week before, so I only paid 50% off of that. Like I paid like what, $2.49. And let's see, this is not as organized as I thought. Okay, here we go. And quick measurement, they are 1 yard each. And let me do a really quick show and tell for you. Look at this. It's so fuzzy. And they do have like, I want to say like 4 or 5 different bunch colors of ribbon. And I was quite surprised. So this is something new that Hobby Lobby is carrying this year. Yeah. They're a bit tangled. So there's this one. Look at that. And then there's this one. Look at this. It's a nice collection of ribbons. I like it. I was really happy with the ones I found at Michael's. So, and then I went to Hobby Lobby and saw this there. And I just had to have it. Look at this one. I really like these ones, the loopy ones that they look like they've been crocheted or embroidered. Really nice. Look at this. And then there's this one. And here's that's the fuzzy one. Really nice. And then there's that one. Another one. Here we go. Look at this one. This one's nice. A nice cording. And then another one of the racks. And then look at this is different. Nice. Another fuzzy one. But this one is twisted. Or maybe it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same. And then I got doubles of those. Doubles of these two. Double. And then I have 2 of these also. Let's see. So you get 30 ribbons for $4.99. It's a really nice collection. So, that is my Hobby Lobby haul for this week. Well, I hope I was able to show you a few items that you might find at Hobby Lobby this week, or keep a watch out for the next time when they have their percentage off. I'm really quite happy with this fabric. I can't believe they found all these bees coordinating fabrics. Well, 3 of them are not bees, but still. They're going to work really well for my project. And I'm glad I was able to visit my second store so I can pick up some more of the cardstock. I think this is the only reason why they still had several of these in stock, because the package is falling apart. Even if it doesn't have 50 pages, I'm still quite happy about that. But I will, I will ask about the stamps. I'm curious as to why they didn't discount the Disney stickers or the Disney stamps for me. But I will check back on that, see what they say. And this is my Hobby Lobby haul. I'm quite happy with everything I found. And I hope you guys take a look at your Hobby Lobby store and check out all their new ribbons. Look at this. Oh, adorable. So many different patterns in one little bunch. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Hobby Lobby haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.